Hey everyone, Greg with Drifter Journey. Today I'm going to be going over why I believe the Tune M1 is the best base camp setup for truck campers for going snowboarding or skiing. So I'm hanging out in the back of the truck right now, up in the ski area. I'm going to go over some of my favorite features and why. I think it's the perfect rig for taking up. It's actually really nice outside today, so I probably could be changing outside, but the first thing that I love about it is that when it's the real rainy, cold days, where there's a bunch of fresh snow in the parking lot, you wore some Crocs up, you can change in the back of the truck. So I don't even have the top up right now, and I can just be sitting back here and staying dry and get into my bibs without any issue. I say without any issue. I can't stand up, but I got my Air Blaster ninja suit on, so I'm 6'2", so it's plenty of room to get your bibs on. And then normally I would just pop out and jump up and finish putting them on. Obviously, popping the top up will give me several more feet of space to work with. Another thing I love about it, for my setup, I didn't put any build out in it, so I can change it for each day. So if I'm going up and I'm going to camp, I'm going to have more gear in here. Just going up for the day like I am today, I threw a fridge in, you throw in some lunch and whatnot. I just got a little power station over here that I can run my fridge with, and come back skiing for lunch, save some money, get back on the mountain. One other thing, Joyroom just sent us this 12-volt cable for our Starlink Mini. Starlink Mini is on the roof here. So for us, there's no phone service up here. We leave the dog home. We can turn on the Mini without using an inverter, and check our cameras at home to make sure the dog's doing good, or listen to music at the truck while we're hanging out. But yeah, so this is a 10-foot, I think maybe 3-meter cord. They sent, it has a cigarette lighter style on it, and then it has a 2 USB-C and a USB port on there, so I can just plug that bad boy in, and I have it running through the truck right now on the AC outlet while we're driving, but I can just plug in up here and strap my cord away to the side, and now I got internet, so I can it actually beams right through the roof of the tin. That's another awesome thing for these. This is the GoFlex mount, so I just have it mounted on the roof here. Goes right through the ceiling, and I get internet. Stick around to the end. You're going to see why I don't like to have a build out when I'm going skiing. We used to live in a van. Moisture can be a problem. Obviously, if you're skiing, you're going to be wet. You're going to have a bunch of wet stuff. So I can throw a bunch of wet stuff in here. I don't really care. It's tough to get moisture out. So if I were going to have a full build out, I do have the heater here. So Truma heater runs on propane, so super reliable. But I can heat things up. I could hang them in front of it to dry. If it were cold out, I could be heating myself up in here right now to stay warm while I'm getting ready. If you're at a resort that lets you sleep there, I got the Hess mattress, super comfortable. Yeah, pop the top, run the fan. I always run the fan out on low just to keep some moisture out, and then the heater, keep you warm. So I don't know, there's no other reason that you need anything more or less. This is the M1, and then And when I'm ready, just pop it open, head up the mountain. So we'll go take a run, and then I'll come back. And if you stick around to the end, if I haven't lost you already, I'll show you my favorite, absolute favorite reason to have a camper shell on when I got all my fancy, expensive gear with me. Alright guys, I'm back at the rig, and for some reason the camera said it overheated and the battery looks like it's about to die. So I'm just going to tell you what I was going to show you. But have a lunch here, save some money there. I got the insulation kit too with the Truma heater, just in case. But definitely need the insulation for camping and cold. But yeah, what I really like is that at the end of the day I can throw my wet board inside and it'll just dry out either when I get home, or if I was going to be camping in it a bunch, I'd try to keep it drier, obviously. And then I'm going to go down to the hot springs to get a shower. I can put all my gear in the back, lock it up, and leave it in there without having to worry about it. So, Tune M1, lots of good reasons to get it for a ski rig, or summer rig, or year-round rig, or basically you're looking for a camper that you can customize yourself. Check them out.